Hey, it's Miss Alana working on some math, getting smarter and smarter every day, and I know you are too. Today we are working on bus driver appreciation. This is day 2, question number 5. So let's read the question. It says, convert the number of miles traveled into kilometers. And here's a conversion factor for you. It says 1 mile equals 1 6/10 kilometers. All right, let's begin. Using our cubes clues, the first step is to do what? Is to circle the numbers. Help me find some numbers. What numbers do you see? Okay, not that number. That's the number of the problem. No, what do you see right here? I see 1, and what else? And 1 6/10. Oh, that was easy. We are done with that step. The next step is the use step. It says to underline the important words. Find some important words for me. All right, mile would be an important word. Kilometers is an important word. Oh, we see that right there too. What other words do you see? Oh, miles again, right there. Convert, that's an important word. Okay, you can underline number if you want to. You can also underline traveled if you would like to. Oh, I think we have all the important words. We're done with that step. The next step is the B step. It says to box the question. Box the question, circle the question, highlight the question. Where's the question? I don't see a question. I don't see a question. But the problem tells us what to do. It says convert the number of miles traveled into kilometers. Oh, that's like the whole problem. Convert the number of miles traveled into kilometers. Done with that step. The next step is the E step, eliminate unnecessary information. Look, we highlighted and underlined and circled everything, so we're done with that step. The next step, the last step is the S step, solve and check. So to figure this out, let's think about it. We know, based on the conversion factor, that 1 mile, that's a distance. Say 1 mile. It's the same thing as 1 6/10 kilometers. And I'll put a km for an abbreviation for kilometers, okay? Now, we need to convert not 1 mile, whatever the number of miles traveled. Now, I don't see it in this problem. Do you know where we can find it? It is in the last question. So go back to the last question. Bam, right there. How many miles did they travel? No, not 68,640, because that's feet. That's the feet. Look right here. They want the miles traveled. So let's find the miles right there. 13 miles. So we traveled 13 miles. I'll just write it up here. Oh, no. What did I just do? We traveled 13 miles. Which means I need 13 miles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, that's not how long a mile is. Remember, a mile, that's long. It's a far distance. Maybe like from here to the store. Maybe from here to your house is a mile. From your house to the store, that's about a mile. So we need to convert that. So how do we do it? Just like when we did the last problem. What operation? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide. Multiply. We need to multiply. Bam, right there. So we need to multiply 13 times 1 6/10. All right, are you ready to multiply? So which number do we multiply first? We need to multiply that 6 first, okay? So that 6 is the first number that we multiply with. So let's do 6 times 3. Practice your times tables if you don't know them. 6 times 3 is 18. Write the 8. Put the 1 at top. 6 times 1 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. All right, so I'm done with the 6. So what do we do? Okay, I'm done with you 6. Cross it out. Cross out that plus 1. Put the placeholder right there. And now what do we need to do? We need to multiply by that 1. Now, remember that decimal, when we multiply, we'll save it for later, okay? Save it for later. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 1 is 1. Now, what do? We add them together. Let's add 8 plus 0 is 8. 7 plus 3 is 10. Write the 0 plus 1 at the top. And 1 plus 1 is 2. Oh, we're not done. We're not done because look at the problem. Look, we have a decimal right there. And remember what we do for the decimal? We count how many digits after the decimal. Look, bloop, 1 right there. So when we go to the answer, we go bloop, 1 right there, and it goes right there. Let's check our work using our handy-dandy calculator. Let's see. 13. 13, do you see? 13 times 1 and 6/10. 1 decimal point 6 right there. You can use a calculator or your phone if you have a calculator on that. Equals, bam, right there. You see 20 and 8/10. There's a decimal point right there, just like I have one. Now we're missing one more thing, the unit. What is the unit? The answer is 20 and 8/10. Not miles, not miles. We're converting the miles into kilometers. So you can write 20 and 8/10 kilometers. That's the abbreviation. Yes, we check it with the calculator. I am done with question number 5. We are almost done with our work for today. Find the other videos if you need help. See you then.